Hey everybody, this is Nature Walks with Dawn and my puppy Sweetie Pie in one of her cute little outfits. Hope you enjoy. God bless and Jesus loves you all. I love you all out there. I'm gonna see how many tricks she can do for you guys today. Hopefully she'll do them right and you'll be able to enjoy them. God bless and Jesus loves you all out there. Here, I love you all out there. And here are my little, guppy and, platy tank, in here today. And they're all doing, real good. I'm fed them already with my tuxedo and everything. And if you want to know how to tell male and female, I did a video yesterday. You can go look back at on Nature Walks with Dawn. My little Pleca is down there even eating. Well, that's just a little view of them for you to see today. With their pretty colors they're all showing you. My sunshine and fancy purple and orange guppy and my tuxedo platy and all my plants and a heart water plant. My bubbler and a double bubbler, and I have a filter on it too, and they're all doing real good. I have 4 fish in here. I have a hairy lip algae eater too. I think this is a Pie in her cute little outfit. She's got her little reindeer ears on, and put her little hat on so you can see her little antlers. Hold still for a second. It's hard to do on camera. These were her ears. Okay. Sit. Good girl. And she has her little reindeer ears with a scarf on. It's a lot hard to get the ears. They don't really stay on. Well, it's a cute little outfit. Sit. Good girl. High five. Nipple. Good girl. I'm gonna lay down. Good girl. And crawl. Crawl. Lay down. Crawl. Crawl some more. Good girl. Good girl. Yay. High five. Dance. Then see if she'll do roll over too. Dance. Sit. Paw. Lay down. Crawl. Over. Over. All the way over. And crawl. Crawl. And dance. Good girl. High five. And that's all her tricks she knows. And she does them for treats and really enjoys it. And I hope you all enjoy it too and get a little laugh. I love you all out there. God bless and Jesus loves you all. And little Sweetie Pie loves you too.